Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Okay, let's now start our lesson on page 63. So we're now here on page 63, and as you can see, we're going to have our new discussion for the part 2 of our lesson. Okay, so the title is English for Conducting the Class. Okay, so here below are some of the lessons that we're going to discuss throughout the videos. So lesson number 20, it says here, telling students what they will learn. Okay. Next one, 21, asking students about the last class. 22 here, reviewing the last class. 23, trying to remember a word. 24, handling a difficult question. Another one here on 25, telling students to hurry. 26 is moving on to a new activity. 27, doing an exercise. 28, checking answers. 29, reviewing the lesson. 30 is taking a test. And 31, the last one, is assigning homework. So those are the topics that we're going to discuss all throughout. Now let's start with the first lesson. So we're starting our lesson with lesson number 20, which is telling students what they will learn. Okay, so that's the topic. Now let's go on to the teacher's language. So let's read the first one. Here's what we're going to do today. Next one. We're going to learn how to invite people to a birthday party. And the last one, first of all, we're going to listen to a dialogue. Okay, so did you understand that? Now let's try to see that in a dialogue form so we can better understand it, okay? So this is the dialogue inside the box. T stands for the teacher and SS is for the students. Okay, so let's start reading the teacher's part. So the teacher asks a question and the teacher said, "Who likes to go to birthday parties?" Okay, the students answered, "I do." Teacher, what do you like about birthday parties, Subin? And Subin said, "Food." Teacher, yes, there's a lot of food, isn't there? What's your favorite food at birthday parties? Subin said, bulgogi. Then the teacher again, okay, Minho, ask Jisoo a question about birthday parties. Minho asked, what do you like to do? Okay, so let's continue to the next page. Alright, we can see here the teacher. What do you like to do at birthday parties? Minho said, what do you like to do at birthday parties? And then Jisoo replied, I like to play games. Okay, now the teacher. After more discussion, the teacher said, alright, that was a good discussion. Well, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn how to invite people to a birthday party. First of all, we're going to listen to a dialogue about Mina's birthday. Alright, so that's our dialogue. Now let's study the other expressions this time. So you can see here other expressions. Number 1, here's what we're going to do today. You can also say, this is what we'll do today, or here's what we'll be doing today. Okay, now number 2. First of all, we're going to listen to a dialogue. Another way of saying this is, at the beginning, we'll listen to a dialogue. Another one here. First, I'll give you a chance to listen to a dialogue. And the last one we can see here, the first thing we're going to do is listen to a dialogue. Okay, so that you see the differences in that, but it just means the same thing as this one, okay? Alright, so those are the other expressions. Now you can see here below the Korean translation of the dialogue that we've just read. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, you can see here the continuation of the dialogue again. Alright, and some important notes here that you need to read to be able to understand the lesson easily. Importance of a communicative, interactive lead-in. Okay, you can see here lead-in, and you can read this first. The next part here is promoting student questions in the lead-in. So you can read this also to give you an idea how it goes. Alright, so that's it for our lesson. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you on our next video lesson. Goodbye.